Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jody Paul. If you are new here, feel at home. To my returnees, thank you so much. And to my premium gang, I'm so grateful. Your girl is so humble for your support. So I wanted to share with you some of the drinks I love to make in my home for my family. Today I will share with you my two favorite pineapple and watermelon ginger juice and also share their benefits. So stick around and enjoy the video, guys. We'll start by prepping everything. We'll now cut our lemon and peel off the pineapple and ginger and get everything ready for blending, guys. So let me now start by giving you the benefits of the pineapple juice, then we'll follow with the benefits of watermelon. Benefit number 1, pineapple juice helps to keep your figure. It's a fat burner drainage, e.g. those who have belly fats. It will help to drain the fats in your stomach. Also, it's helping digestion of proteins. And pineapple juice also is a source of fiber, guys, and that prevents constipation. So it's so helpful. Number 2, it protects your bones. Pineapple juice, it's a source of calcium, and it's concentrated in calcium that helps in the bone development, and that's good for children and elderly and everyone, menopausal, everyone gets its benefit. Benefit number 3, pineapple juice helps against cardiovascular risk. It contains potassium that helps prevent cardiovascular diseases. On the other hand, vitamin C prevents hypertension. So those who have hypertension can enjoy pineapple juice with its benefits. Benefit number 4, pineapple juice boosts your immunity system. It contains several vitamins, e.g. vitamin C, which is antiviral and anti-inflammatory. This will prevent you from catching things like cold, guys. So I advise you to take a lot of pineapples in your house. It's also help in digestive problem. If any case you are such a person who gets bloated or belching after eating certain foods, pineapples will help you solve that problem. It also fights worms, guys, in children, in their intestine. It will, if you are such a person who doesn't like the worming, so pineapples will help you. It also helps in muscle relaxant. It helps the muscle to relax, and it prevents the sight loss. If you have issues with sight, it helps in prevention of sight loss. So guys, those are the benefits that I wanted to share with you today. We'll share more as time goes, but those were the only one I had today. So let's wait and see the final look. I'll now add everything into the blender. I already added my ginger, but please, if this is the first time you want to try this juice, don't put a lot of ginger, or if you have children, don't put a lot of ginger. It might taste bitter. So just put some countable small cubes, add your pineapple, add your lemon, squeeze your lemon, and add water for it to ease in the blending. And you also add sugar to your taste, because you know we've added some lemon and the pineapple also has some sour taste. So the taste, the more you add sugar, the more it will be so tasty. But me, I don't like adding too much sugar. So you will taste and you add to your preference. So let's blend and squeeze, guys. The squeezing took me a lot of time because I didn't have the bigger sieve, but it's just patient. We finally did the right way. The more you sieve, the more you get a lighter or a pure pineapple juice. So you can sieve as much as you want, but me, I just sieved twice.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
Our juice is ready and we'll serve it with some ice cube. If you are a person who loves ice cube, it will force you to add a lot of sugar. But if you don't like ice cube, don't put a lot of sugar. So this was the outcome of our juice.
With no shame, wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well, I just wanna be.
Let's now make our watermelon, ginger, lemon juice. Our watermelon was so ripe. It was so ripe, guys. If for you to check a ripe watermelon, you'll see how crunchy it is. You'll see me while cutting it. So the more the ripe, the more the sugary. So ours was so yummy. I didn't even add sugar on it because we don't like a lot of sugar. So let's make the juice, as I'll give you the promised benefits of watermelon.
All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Benefit number 1 of watermelon juice, it keeps your heart healthy. This one will halt the accumulation of bad cholesterol in your heart, and it's also help in fewer fatty deposits inside the blood vessels. So this one will help in cardiovascular, guys, conditions. Number 2, it keeps you hydrated. Did you know that melon contain 90% of water? So that is a good source of hydration for our body. If you are a poor water drinker, please try to take melon juice or just take melon fruit. It's also help in digestion. That's number 2, the benefit. It contains fiber, guys, and I hope you know the importance of fiber. It promotes digestion and prevents constipation. That's why you always hear your doctor saying take a lot of fiber, fruits or vegetables or food. Benefit number 4, it's good for pregnant women. Yes, for pregnant women. It eases the heartburn, a common condition during pregnancy. It also helps alleviate morning sickness and also prevent third trimester cramping, guys. So those are the best of watermelon juice. It improves skin and hair. It's a good source of vitamin C, and the vitamin C has a good number of collagen synthesis. The collagen keeps your skin looking glowing, guys. So also an added advantage to watermelon, it also helps weight loss, as we had saying that watermelon contain 90% of water. So you'll eat small and you'll have a lot of water. So guys, those are the advantage that I have ahead for you. So stick around and see the final juice. I usually store my juices in this Ziploc container and place them in the fridge. So whenever we want, we'll just pick one and drink, or mix two of them and drink. Thank you guys for your support. Let's meet in another video.